Guys, I hope you're enjoying this basic step and sculpt workout program. Be sure to look in the description below. There is a 4-week rotational calendar. Also, in this basic step and sculpt program, I have done step, move, breakdown tutorials to make sure you really get each step move. I go slow, I go quicker, and I also count it out and have you count it out with me while we're practicing. This is a phenomenally beautiful workout start to finish. I work your entire body. There are 6 videos in this basic step and sculpt workout program. Now remember, all the workouts are basic, simple, and easy to follow step combinations. This is a wonderful, wonderful program to begin your step journey because I do have step move breakdown tutorials with each video. Simply look in the description below. You will get it. All my moves are very basic, and the ones that might have a little hint, a little hard but not that difficult, I am sure to do those step breakdown tutorials. Don't be scared. Step is a phenomenally just great overall workout, and I also do weight training, Pilates, stretching, and core. So it's an all-in-one 30-day program. My name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV. Description below, you'll get all your information, and let's begin that basic step and sculpt program today.